Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how I made $1,500 by selling just one PDF document. And best thing of all is I only used free tools, which means if you are a beginner and you don't have money to invest, you can make money online with this method. So what I was actually doing, I was actually selling coloring books on Amazon KDP. And I know what you're thinking right now, well, I need to hire a graphic designer for that. Well, actually you don't. There are free tools that will make these images for your coloring book totally free. You only need to give them a prompt and that's it. You don't need any special skills, you don't need any special softwares, you don't need to invest any money. Just give it a prompt and it will create a coloring book for you. So first thing you need to do, you need to do a research. Now for that, you can use ChatGPT. So here I simply need to give it a prompt. I can say something like this. What are the best niches for coloring book? And then simply press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me best niches for coloring books. Here you can see it is creating coloring books ideas for me. So now I need to choose one of these. For example, kids educational coloring book. Here I need to give it another prompt because I need to do a bit more research. So I can say something like this. Give me ideas for alphabet, numbers, animals and shapes that combine coloring with learning for toddlers and young children. And then simply press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me ideas for this coloring book. Here you can see it is giving me more ideas. I am now niching down, and that is exactly what you need to do, because when you niche down, competition is much weaker and much smaller, which means you can actually make money. Now you can do further research to see potential of this niche. Can you make lots of money, or you can make just a few $100s? But for the purpose of this video, I will just do this research here. I won't do any other research. So I need to choose one of these ideas. So for example, let me choose one of these ideas. So I will scroll back here on the top and I will choose, for example, let's just say, for example, I will choose this one here. Include large, simple letters and fun cartoon-like animals illustration for children to color. So I will choose this theme here. So I need to give it a new prompt. So I will say something like this. For example, make image for coloring book that include large, simple letters and fun cartoon-like animal illustration for children to color. Dimensions should be 1500 by 1500 pixels. You can choose larger or smaller dimensions, but I choose 1500 by 1500 pixels. And then press enter, and now ChatGPT will make this image for us, and you can make images, and you can make 10, 20, 50, 100 images here in ChatGPT for your coloring book. You don't need graphic designer, you don't need any special softwares, you don't need any special knowledge. Here you can see this is how it looks. As you can see, it is A, and then here there is an image of alligator. So this is actually really good, and it is actually for children. So what I need to do, I simply need to click on this image and then right click here, save image as, and I can save this image on my computer. And then what I need to do, I actually need to go back here and I need to tell ChatGPT to create me more images, in this case for each alphabet letter, to create me image for a letter and an animal that actually associates for that letter, okay? And then I need to make a PDF document. So what you can do is you can go on Canva and make that coloring book even better. But if you are absolute beginner, what you can do, you can simply come here on Google Documents. And then what you need to do, you simply need to click here on Insert and then go here on Image and then Upload from Computer. And then here you need to find image that you created in ChatGPT, and this is the image. And when you click here on this image, you can drag it to enlarge it if you want, okay? And you can also move it to reposition it. And like I said, if you wish to create a better coloring book, you can use Canva for that. But if you are a beginner, you can use Google Drive, Google Documents, okay? But I would recommend you to use Canva, okay? And you can add 20, 30, 50 images for your coloring book here in Google Documents, and after that all you have to do is just go back here on File and then go here on Download and then download here as a PDF document, download it to your desktop, and that's it. you created a PDF document for that coloring book. But now you need to go back here on Amazon Kindle and you need to upload the theme book. Simply click here on create. And then here you need to choose Kindle ebook, okay? Create an ebook, because this is PDF document, this is an ebook, coloring ebook. Here you need to choose a language. Now this coloring book is in English language, so I will leave it as it is. Here I need to give it a title. Now you can write title by yourself, or you can go back here on ChatGPT and you can say something like this. Give me title for this coloring book, and then press enter, and now ChatGPT will give you a title. Here you can see ABC Animal Adventures, fun letters and cute creatures to color. So I can simply copy this, okay? Control C, go back here on Amazon KDP and I can paste that here. Also I can ask ChatGPT to give me subtitle, but that is optional, as you can see here. Series, add a series. I don't have any series, this is only one ebook. Edition number, I don't have any edition number. As you can see, that is also optional. Author, I need to give my name because I am the author of this coloring book, so I will simply say Zoran, okay? And then here for the last name, I will add IG. Contributors, there are no contributors. Here description, I can also go back here on ChatGPT and I can tell it to give me description. So I can say something like this, for example, give me a short description for this coloring book. As you can see, I'm only giving a short and simple prompts, really simple, and I can just copy this, okay? Control C, go back here on Amazon KDP and I can paste that here. This is my description. Here I can see publishing rights. I own the copyright on this ebook because I did create this coloring book. Primary audience, I will click here on no because there is no adult content in my coloring book, okay? This is optional. Primary marketplace, Amazon. I will leave it on Amazon. Categories, I need to choose a category, so click here and I will click here on education and teaching. And here I will choose a subcategory and here I will choose, for example, childhood education, okay? And here I can choose, for example, preschool and kindergarten, okay? Click here on save changes and that's it. I need to add some keywords. As you can see, that is optional, so you don't have to do that, but I would recommend you to add some keywords, okay? Pre-order, I am ready to release my book now, and then click here on save and continue. Done. As you can see, and now I need to upload a cover for my ebook, for my coloring book. Now I don't have it, but you need to upload a cover image for your coloring book. AI generated, actually yes, this is AI generated. So here I will choose, for example, some sections with minimal or no editing, entire work with extensive editing, okay? I need to choose that one here. Which tool? ChatGPT, okay? ChatGPT. I used ChatGPT. You need to add exact tool, name of the tool that you use to create this content. So images, exactly the same thing. And here I will add again ChatGPT, okay? ChatGPT. Translation, there is no translation. Here, launch preview. This is actually optional, so you don't have to add this. Publisher optional, save and continue, and that's it. You will publish your coloring book on Amazon KDP, and all you have to do after that, drive as much traffic as you can. Start promoting that coloring book wherever you can, and you will start making sales. Once you start making sales, once you start getting positive reviews, 5-star reviews on Amazon, then Amazon will start promoting your coloring book and you will start making money passively. You did the work once on the beginning, and after that Amazon will do the rest. Amazon will do the work for you and you will continue making passive income. You will continue making money online even though you are doing nothing. And you can create 5, 10, 20, 50, 100 coloring books like this on different kind of topics, and in that case you will make even more money. So this is how I made $1,500 by selling just one PDF document.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.